Well, welcome back. We are at Elite Auction Company in Elk City, Oklahoma. We're here to pick up a tractor. They're trying to figure out how to open the gate. I'll get back to you.
Hey, let's fill her up and get on the road right here. Down, get it in, bit it in, mile a minute, and tear it a bit, 25. Hey, everybody get tear it a bit, 25. Everybody get 30 mile a minute, and 35 here. Down, get it in, bit it in, 50. Down, get it in, bit it in, 60 to 75. Hit 75, 8500 out of it. Now, bit it, tear it a bit, 25. 120 out of it, 35. At 130 pounds out of it, and 50 down, get it a bit at 50 down, 60 to 75.
Well, there we go. That's duals off. Now just get the tractor on, load the duals, and get the hell out of here. So we are at 13.4, which it is what it is. But if you look, whoever hauled this before literally took a hammer and smacked the exhaust stack down. Thank you, whoever hauled it before. I appreciate it. Okay, we are, in fact, loaded, chain down. We stuck her. We know how tall she is. So the only thing I got to do is put flags on the hubs and get the hell out of here. Interstate 281, northern Oklahoma. We are 2.2 miles away from the Kansas line. We are right on the edge of some pretty significant wind. If you look at the little weather map thing, according to this, it's showing a consistent 35, gusting to 50. I'm really glad I'm not hooked to the poverty wagon right now. Well, if the GPS is right, there are 3 accidents within about a half mile here. So I believe it started with the westbound side, and Dockers got this side all screwed up. So yeah, you should not pay attention while driving, and yeah, screw up all the traffic. Makes it exciting, I guess. The best part about this is I had until 4 o'clock to make it through Wichita. And then a few people decided not to play bumper cars that would run it. Right now on 5.3 miles, getting out of Wichita, and it is 404. Close enough. Close enough. Good next morning. We are in Wellsville, Kansas at Burt's Travel Center. We got a shit ton of sleep because I had Kansas City's curfew that is going to lift here in a half hour. I'm about a half hour away, so I can take off at any time. It was windy as shit all day yesterday. We got shit for fuel mileage because of it. Now, it's still windy. It snowed last night, and they are talking that Iowa's supposed to be under a blizzard warning all day today. I want to make Iowa at least. It'd be nice. I'm 442 miles away from delivering this. It'd be nice just to go. But if in fact I get parked, I want it to be in Iowa, because Iowa and Minnesota have 24-hour travel. So it's going to be one of those things where all I give a shit about is making Iowa today. If that's all I do, it's all I do. We're going to get around Kansas City. I routed in the south side, go around 435 on the south side. It should be clearing up relatively soon, so we're gonna get heading on down the road. So yeah, I'll check back with you here in a minute.
Fill up the mash and bing it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using decks and I trigger them fidget. But on the road, then I got me a pole, tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me. Put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like. Walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp, like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me. Don't wanna buck, feeling like something that chink. Walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp, like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me. Don't wanna buck, feeling like something that ching. Yo, wetting up boys interior. When you hear that bang, just trust me, something gon' blow like war in Syria. What we do is ride outs and ban outs, trust me, no the gang's inferior. So loud that stop with the chat, car when it beat something gon' spread malaria. Know that I'm cold now like Siberia. Know that I'm cold in now but a thing. Walk with a limp, drop back and loading up dots, tryna let that spray like links. That's lean with a drop, don't sleep on a shot, jump out, tryna do it man quick. And I don't mean a snap or a pick, when I say D might get a little quick flick. Lean, extend, do it like this. Fill up the mash and ping it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using debts and I trigger them fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole, tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Hop out, do a man quickly, like scratch, I beg you don't mix me. Jump out, leave a man 6 feet, giving blood loss and I bet he feels tipsy. If I swing that left, even swing that right, that's 9 but that's like pixies. It's long if a buck with a 15, tryna connect like Wi-Fi Swift. If they really on it there to blow, can't tell, we might just show. See the way that I switch the flow, can't lie with me but my man tryna do that quickly. Rise the pole, that's rise and smoke. On the bud I choke, turn a burgundy like a plane for stove. I'm really tryna hit a man's mango, hit a man's backbone, is he really there to go? Fill up the mash and ping it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using debts and I trigger them fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole, tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Walk with a limp, paying on like. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with it.
MA makes it dead.
Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that, feeling like something that ching. Yo, walk with it, walk with it, walk with it, walk with it.
MA makes it dead.
Scratch mixtape.
Fill up the mash and ping it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using debts and I trigger them fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole, tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Yo, wetting up boys interior. When you hear that bang, just trust me, something gon' blow like war in Syria. What we do is ride outs and ban outs, trust me, no the gang's inferior. So loud I stop with a chat, car when it beat something gon' spread malaria. Know that I'm cold now like Siberia. Know that I'm cold in now but a thing. Walk with a limp, drop back and loading up dots, tryna let that spray like links. That's lean with a drop, don't sleep on a shot, jump out, tryna do it man quick. And I don't mean a snap or a pick, when I say D might get a little quick flick. Lean, extend, do it like this. Fill up the mash and ping it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using debts and I trigger them fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole, tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Walk with a limp, paying on like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but a stick ain't now like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna butt me, feeling like something that ching. Hop out, do a man quickly, like scratch, I beg you don't mix me. Jump out, leave a man 6 feet, giving blood loss and I bet he feels tipsy. If I swing that left, even swing that right, that's 9 but that's like pixies. It's long if a buck with a 15, tryna connect like Wi-Fi Swift. If they really on it there to blow, can't tell, we might just show. See the way that I switch the flow, can't lie with me but my man tryna do that quickly. Rise the pole, that's rise and smoke. On the bud I choke, turn a burgundy like a plane for stove. I'm really tryna hit a man's mango, hit a man's backbone, is he really there to go? Fill up the mash and ping it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using decks and a trigger then fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole trying to slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck. Feeling like something that chink. Walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck. Feeling like something that chink. Walk with a limp, ain't nah like. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp.
Amazing technique.
Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck. Feeling like something that, feeling like something that chink. Yo,
Amazing technique.
Search mixtape.
fill up the mash and bing it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using decks and a trigger then fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole trying to slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck. Feeling like something that chink. Walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck me. Feeling like something that chink. Yo, wetting up boys interior. When you hear that bang, just trust me, something gon' blow like war in Syria. All we do is ride outs and ban outs, trust me, no the gang's inferior. So loud I stop all the chat, cause when it beats something gon' spread malaria. Know that I'm cold now like Siberia. Know that I'm cold ain't now but a thing. Walk with a limp, drop back and loading up dots, tryna let that spray like links. That's lean with a drop, don't sleep on a shot, jump out, tryna do it man quick. And I don't mean a snap or a pick, when I say D might get a little quick flick. Lean, extend, do it like this. Fill up the mash and ping it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using decks and a trigger then fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck me. Feeling like something that chink. Walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck me. Feeling like something that chink. Hop out, do a man quick. Like scratch, I beg you don't miss.
live in Iowa.
Give a man 6 feet, give him
Didn't
blood loss and
expect
I
it to
beat
happen today
If I
because
swing that left, if I swing that right.
delayed.
But that's like pigs.
It's gonna be delayed.
Tryna connect like Wi-Fi. Swift, if they're really on it, dare to blow. Can't tell, we might just show. See the way that I switch the flow. Can't lie with me, but my man tryna do that quickly. Rise the pole, that's rise and smoke. On the bud, I choke. Turn a burgundy like a plane for stove. I'm really tryna hit a man's mango, hit a man's backbone. Is he really there to cope? Fill up the mash and bing it. You don't wanna see me extend when I'm using decks and a trigger then fidget. But on the road and I got me a pole tryna slap that corn for your gillet. If I walk with a limp, just trust me, put him on screen, yeah, coming like widget. And you know how we walk like, walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck. Feeling like something that chink. Walk with a limp, ain't nah like pimps. Walk with a limp, double tap that thing. Walk with a limp like you got a stick there, but the stick ain't nah like the ones from pimps. Jump on the ride, tryna hit a man quick. Walk with a ting, tryna aim it and ping. Something gon' blow, just trust me, don't wanna buck. Feeling like something that chink.
made it to John's. Let's get this thing off. It's cold as hell, windy as hell, and they got a bunch of snow. Okay, we are all empty. We're hooked back up. Axle loaded up. Tractor sitting there. Duals over there. So that's gonna end this one. Until the next one. Peace out.